It is a professional dual laser IR thermal condensation scanner that offers precise measurements up to 350 Celsius and 662 Fahrenheit degrees. A user manual is included. The meter comes in a convenient soft case with a belt mount. It is equipped with multicolor mildew status indicator, an LCD display, 3 physical buttons, laser pointers and infrared sensors, humidity and temperature sensors, and a trigger. It is powered by a standard 9-volt battery, also included in the set.